Hello, now you are trying to switch to Mac for the first time and you've heard this Mac Trackpad is a great things, but you find you cannot operate and you will find you have a hard time to click anything. So in this tutorial, I will guide you through how you can navigate using the Mac Trackpad. It's a great thing, but on the default setting, it's not intuitive. Okay, so I will guide you how to use the default setting and how you can change the settings to make it truly great. So on default settings, this thing have two levels of press. So if you want to select anything, by default, you cannot just tap like this. You have to hard press down like this, hard press down. By default, hard press down is the normal tap, okay, which is, I don't like it, but I will tell you how you can navigate using the default settings. So now you know you have to hard press down, and if you drag things, you will find it's very difficult, especially you want dragging a long distance and then you find you cannot drag past, you cannot passing here. If you let it go and it cannot drag anymore. So on default settings, you are supposed to use two fingers actually, no matter it's two fingers from the same hand or two fingers from different hand. So how you can drag things? So I use two fingers from different hand. So first move your cursor to the place you want to drag and use one finger to hard press down on any of this area. So I hard press down here and use another finger to drag. So now you can drag with ease. But still, force is applied to this finger. So for a long working hour, you actually feel very tired by this. Okay, so another thing is how you can right-click things. So if I hard press down here, then use two fingers to hard press down. This is the right-click or context menu. By default settings. Okay, we had enough about these default settings. I don't want these default settings. I want the truly great settings for the Mac Trackpad. So I move this aside and you want to click this Apple logo and go to System Settings. In the System Settings, you want to find this trackpad menu. And the first thing you want is tap to click. Turn this on. Now, you don't have to hard press down anything. You just like the normal trackpad, you just tap. You don't have to press down, you just tap, it will work. And the second thing is this natural scrolling. So I turn this off. So what does this mean is if this is on, it means if you use two fingers to swipe down, actually the page goes up. I doesn't like that. Actually I scroll down and the page goes down. So I turn off this natural scrolling. And another thing is very important is this drag. So still, you have to use two fingers to drag. I doesn't want that. Actually, there's one thing is very great. It's called a three-finger drag, but it's hidden. So it's hidden at somewhere called accessibility. You click this accessibility and you go to the pointer control. Inside the pointer control, there's something called trackpad options. And here, dragging style, choose 3-finger drag. So now, if you want to drag anything, you don't need 2 hands. You just want 1 hand, so it's enough. 3 fingers. So you use 3 fingers to drag anything you want. And you don't need to use a 3 finger to touch the trackpad surface all the time. Actually, you can drag like this. So you can pass the desktop just like that. It have a delay. So now it's much better. So you don't have to use 2 fingers or 2 hands. 3 fingers, 1 hand is enough. Now, there's another great things in the trackpad. It's called mission control. Okay. I choose swipe up, use 4 fingers. So now you can try use 4 fingers to swipe up, and this will give you the choose of desktop. Okay, so I can close the desktops, and by default you only have 1 desktop. Now, if you want to move this music app to another desktop to make it clear, so you can use 4 fingers, swipe up, and go to the side. There's a plus icon. You can add 1 more desktop, and you can move any app you want to the second desktop. That's it. Now you can use 4 fingers, swipe left and right, just like that. So your desktop will be much cleaner. Use 4 fingers. So last thing is something confuse people from switching from Windows is this button. So people think this is the maximize window button, but actually it's not. This thing actually create full size full screen app. The full screen app is considered as a desktop. It's not like maximize the window actually. So if I click, this app become a desktop. If you use 4 fingers to swipe up, you see this considered as a desktop, not considered as an app in the desktop. So let me make it normalized. So how you can maximize the window just like in Windows? So you can do 2 ways. You can just double tap the application bar, and it will just like Windows, to maximize the window, it will keep the app in the desktop. And double tap, you make it back, or you can hold the Option key to tap this one, and it will work the same. But this function is app dependent. Not every application is works like that. So for example, the Finder will not work like that. If you double tap, it just make the window not like full screen, but it make it just like big enough. Same thing. If you hold Option key to tap, it's the same behavior. Okay, that's it. And you are encouraged to explore all the settings here. Actually, there's multiple great settings inside here that you can explore by yourself. And that's it. Please like and subscribe.